of these solid shapes. Means if we look at from the top of now students, we have to see different views of these solids. Means if we look this solid from the top view, then how this solid look alike. See, if we see this from the top, it's this face we can see and this face is rectangular. Means top view of a cuboid is a rectangle. Similarly, its front view, it is its front view. Its front view is also a rectangle. Front view is also rectangular. And its side view is this. So its side view is also rectangular. This is a cube and we have to see its top, side and front view. So its front view, this is its front view. Its front view is square. Its top view is also a square shape and its side view is also a square shape. Similarly, if we see a cylinder, cylinder's front view is rectangle. If we draw its front view, we can draw like this. So its front view means cylinder's front view is rectangular. Its top view is this. Top view is circular. Its top view is circular and its side view is also rectangular. It is a cone. Cone's front view, if we have to draw its front view, we can draw it like this. We can draw a cone like this on blackboard. So its front view is triangular. Its front view is triangular and its top view, if we see this from the top, we can see a circle. So its top view is circular and its side view is also triangular. Now students, we will see Euler's formula. Euler's formula is F plus V minus E is equal to 2. And in this formula, F means number of faces, E means number of edges and V means number of vertices. Okay. So we have to verify Euler's formula for a cuboid. We have to verify Euler's formula for a cuboid. So students, just tell me how many faces are there in a cuboid. Number of faces in a cuboid are, how many faces are there? Yes, there are 6 faces. So the value of F will be 6 for a cuboid. How many edges are there in a cuboid? Number of edges means E is equal to, how many edges are there? There are 12 edges. So value of E will be 12. And how many vertices are there in a cuboid? V is equal to 8. There are 8 vertices, 8 corners in a cuboid. So Euler's formula is F plus V minus E is equal to 2. We know that this is Euler's formula. Put the values of F, E and V. F is 6, V is 8 and E is 12. plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 minus 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. Means 2 is equal to 2. Means LHS is equal to RHS. So we have verified Euler's formula for a cuboid. So students, these are important terms, concepts of the chapter visualizing solid shapes. So learn all the concepts and practice the related problems. Till then,